Bro, did I tell you I lost my wallet?
What are we doing this morning?
Hunting, baby.
Going turkey hunting, baby.
The problem is they're stuck on something.
Call again.
Oh, shoot if you don't. Ready? Look, when he turns a little bit, right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Did you video it? It's on video. Yes.
Now it's recording. Alright, what is it? What is it? April 23rd, ain't it?
Yeah, April 23rd.
April 23rd. A random turkey hunt. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a beard, baby. That's a beard, baby. That's a beard.